friends, what's up? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to ABS Tech channel, and this video we have a look of Hedera hashgraph. Friends, Hedera hashgraph is one of the best cryptocurrencies which is positioned as 48 in the cryptocurrencies market. So friends, in this video I will show you the live price prediction and the high price change and the higher what's the price change, what's the good time of Hedera hashgraph and what is the bad time of Hedera hashgraph. I will show you in this brand video. So if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel before starting this interesting video. Click the subscribe button now. Thank you so much for subscribing IBS Tech channel. I know you also subscribe my channel. So let's start the video, and first of all we look the price prediction of Hedera hashgraph of the previous last 1 hour. After that we look the last 2 hour price prediction of Hedera hashgraph. So friends, as you can see now on this on the graph, that is a live price prediction of Hedera of the previous last 1 hour. So friends, if we look the average change of Hedera in the previous last 1 hour, so the average change of Hedera is a negative 0.44% change occur in Hedera in the last 1 hour. Absolutely bad change because they are in negative, that is why they are bad change. But friends, don't worry about the bad change, don't worry about the negative change of the Hedera hashgraph. As you can see the graph tell us that they fall down for a later time, take jump, fall down for a later time, take a jump. As you can see at the average level are continuously are neutrals. So that's mean that Hedera hashgraph falls down due to the start of new month. That is why they falls down for a later time and take a jump due to the start of new month. So don't be fear, don't be afraid by this falls of the Hedera hashgraph. Don't worry about the falls. As you can see here, the high price of Hedera in the previous last 1 hour is about $0.334788 is the high price of Hedera in the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see the price prediction of Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 2 hour price prediction. As you can see here, as I told you in the previous last at the start of this video, that it is a continuously procedure of every cryptocurrencies that they falls down for a later time and take a jump, and the whole position is in neutral. As you can see here, now the country are neutral, they are going straight in the cryptocurrencies markets. So friends, if we talk about the average change of Hedera, so the average change is in negative 0.4% occurs in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Hedera is about $0.334788 is the high price of Hedera hashgraph. So in the price prediction of last 1 hour 2 hour, there is not a really bad result of Hedera hashgraph. Negative 0.4% are not a big change, not a big falls of Hedera hashgraph. So wait for their best time, and soon they start jumping upward. So wait for it and hold your Hedera hashgraph. With the end of this month their big pump are coming soon, so wait for it. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel give you news and updates about every cryptocurrencies. So don't forget to subscribe.